Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to cut out and assemble these layered pieces to make this turkey. This is from Honeybee Stamps, and so I've cut the various pieces of cardstock for each of these pieces, and here's what the die layout looks like inside the package. So it has everything laid out here, but fortunately they give you these steps to show you how to layer the pieces. So what you have here are the various pieces that I've laid out on cardstock, and I'm going to run them through the machine and bring them back in just a second. Okay, as you can see, I've cut out all the pieces and I've tried to lay them out the way they're displayed on this card here. So we have the body, the edge of the feathers over here, another part of the body, the back tail, or no, this is his shoulder, his wing, his legs, the head, and the various layers of the head. There are 14 pieces here, and we're going to go ahead and assemble them. I really recommend using glue for something like this because it's just so much easier to get these small pieces with enough adhesive to stay, as well as getting into those tiny areas. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put his legs on his body, following the 6-step process. And the legs are only glued at the very top. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here and on this leg. Put this magnet over top and let that dry. So while that's drying, I'll go ahead and do his wing. And same idea here is I am going to put a little bit of glue on these wing feathers, and using a pickup tool, I'm going to adhere this. Now this little black eye can very easily get lost on this black mat. So since I haven't inadvertently moved it, I am going to put this eye on here so it doesn't get lost. And then I will put his. There is my turkey. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. So after we did all of that paper piecing and combining everything into the turkey, I put him as the front cover of a CD case, and then I included some other stamps and die cuts that are Thanksgiving related. And what I do is I buy these cases off of Amazon, and they come with this magnetic side, and so I just put all of those dies in here, and it holds them in place for me, and I don't have to go searching everywhere. And then the stamp set that I chose to put in here with the turkey, I just stick the stamps on top, and then I label it on the side, and it's the 2 sets, turkey and then forever grateful. And then on the back were those layering instructions if I need them again. But generally you can just look at your finished product and you can see how to layer those pieces together. So I hope you enjoyed this, and take a look at my YouTube channel, and I have a couple other ones there maybe you can enjoy. Thank you.